Hello guys, welcome to our channel Subhijit's Classroom. So we are focusing on the cloud computing. This is the most demanding technology in nowadays because of some reasons. Many of us move to the cloud. So basically, we are discussing in this lecture Hindi, English, and Bengali, three languages. So cloud. The meaning of cloud means the sky. This is not the about the sky. The cloud means we are storage the data in the cloud. Not the original cloud. We are storing the data in the cloud. So the main purpose we move to the shifted normal to the cloud. The transitions we have done basically this is being discussed in the first most lecture. So basically let's get an example, and that's in the IPL match. Whenever some Virat Kohli or Dhoni is playing the cricket, then the traffic of the broadcasting channel is being increased rapidly, but other days the traffic is being low. So if any side the traffic is increased very much rapidly, then there is certain infrastructure is being introduced to handle this traffic. But others days or the usual day the traffic is low, means if some important day is happening, the traffic is high, and the others day the traffic is below. So the utilizations of the so if we consider at the peak point, if we consider at the peak, and we are devoting the infrastructure about the peak, that something around 1 lakh people is daily watching this thing. But if we maintain these things, maintain this, it takes lots of infrastructure, lots of cost, lots of manual thing, much more anything. But others day the traffic is low. These days not utilize the properly. We cannot utilize the computer, or the other necessary things are not utilized. Not the computer, not the data storage device are not maintained well. So for that, if we consider as the lower, but when suddenly the peak is being introduced, so we are not able to handle the traffic, the server grows crashed. So for in this type of problem, we can shift to the cloud. So nowadays cloud computing or cloud is a very much important thing, because some of the cloud provider provides their services, just provide their services. So based on our need, we can buy their services, and whenever we not need their services, then we can release their services. So this help to minimize the cost, minimize the manpower, minimize the infrastructure utilization. So it helps lots of us. Before we proceed that the cloud, then there is being certain amount of challenges we can face. That high cost, first problem is high cost. Then we can ahead the planning that this day is being high traffic, so we can manage utilize the resources properly. Then thin low infrastructure utilization, utilization low utilizations means we buy the things, but we cannot utilize because of the every day, or moreover the some days are goes normally, not at the peak point. So the infrastructure utilization is very low. And then a dedicated maintenance team. So for this, a dedicated maintenance team is being required. So this also needs some of cost. So for this type of reason, we can move to the virtual world called cloud, or we can buy some service from the service provider, so to accumulate our needs basically. So for the cloud, there are several cloud providers are associated with. So basically, most important three cloud provider are providing their services. One is Microsoft Azure, and second is Amazon AWS, and then is Google Cloud. So nowadays, Amazon AWS, most of the famous cloud provider. So basically, we are discussing later much more about the three service provider, their platforms. They are basically they are different services. So for this, like, now we are wrap up this, so we are conclude our session, and that why we need cloud, and basically the process that why we shift towards the cloud. So thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bye.